Welcome to Episode 1 of Create an Adventure Game from Scratch in GDevelop. Today we'll create our first project, import an animated character, add movement, and make it come to life. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for GDevelop. Click Try Free. I highly recommend downloading the desktop version because it's a little faster and more stable, but you can also work directly in your browser. Click Launch. Then click Sign Up and create your free account. Click Create New Game. Choose Empty Project. Here you can select any game resolution you like. For this tutorial, we'll use 1280 by 720, which works well for both desktop and mobile games. Now give your game a name. GDevelop even suggests random names if you don't have one yet, but you can type your own. Click Create New Game. Welcome to the main editor. This is where we'll build our entire game. Click Add Object. Choose New Object from Scratch, then select Sprite. A sprite is simply an image or animation that appears in your game. Now click Import Images. You can download all the assets used in this tutorial from my website or create your own by following the asset tutorials here on my channel. Open the Dog folder. Select every frame from the idle animation. Click Preview to make sure everything imported correctly. You can change the FPS to control the animation speed. Lower numbers play more slowly, higher numbers play faster. We'll use 16 FPS. Make sure Loop is enabled so the animation repeats forever. Name the object Dog. Name the animation Dog Idle. Click Apply. Now drag the dog into the scene. Click Preview to run the game. Don't forget to save your project. Now, let's give our dog a walking animation. Double-click the dog. Click Add an Animation. Import the walking frames. Name it Dog Walk. Enable Loop again. Click Preview. Set the animation speed to 16 FPS. Click OK. Right now, the dog can't move. To fix that, we'll give it a behavior. Behaviors add built-in abilities to objects without writing code. Click Behaviors. Choose Add a Behavior. Select Platformer Character. This behavior lets the player walk, jump, and interact with platforms. For now, we'll keep the default settings. Click Apply. If you press Preview now, the dog immediately falls. That's because we haven't created a floor yet. Let's make one. Click the plus button and create another object. Choose Sprite. This time select Create with Piskel. Piskel is GDevelop's built-in pixel editor. Choose the Paint Bucket tool. Fill the canvas with black. Save it. Name it Platform Base. Click Apply. Drag it into the scene. Stretch it until it covers the bottom of the level. Double-click the platform. Go to Behaviors. Click Add a Behavior. Choose Platform. A platform object acts as solid ground that characters can stand on. Click Apply. Now press Preview. Great! The dog no longer falls and can move left and right. But there's one problem. The animation never changes. Let's fix that. Open Scene Events. This is where we create the game's logic using visual events instead of writing code. Click Add an event. Click Add condition. Select the dog. Search for is on floor. Click OK. Now add another condition. Select the dog again. Search for is moving. This time click Invert condition. That means the condition becomes not moving. So now our conditions are, the dog is on the floor, the dog is not moving. Now click Add action. Choose the dog. Search for Animation by name. Select Dog Idle. Now the result is simple. If the dog is standing on the floor and not moving, play the dog idle animation. Now let's create the walking animation. Right-click the event, choose Copy, paste it below. This time, edit the second condition. Instead of not moving, remove the inversion so it simply checks if the dog is moving. Now edit the action. Change dog idle to dog walk. Press Preview. That's it. Now the dog plays the walking animation whenever it's moving. Perfect. The dog switches between idle and walking automatically. But there's still one problem. The dog always faces the same direction. Let's fix that too. Create a new event. Click Add condition. Search for Key Pressed. Choose the left arrow key. Click OK. Now add an action. Search for Flip the object horizontally. Choose the dog. Set Activate Flipping to Yes. Click OK. Now copy the entire event. Paste it below. Change left to right, then change yes to no. Now when you press left, the dog faces left. When you press right, it faces right. Simple. Let's test everything one last time. Click Preview. Now we have a dog that can move, switch between idle and walking animations, and turn left and right. It still floats a little above the ground, but don't worry, we'll fix that in the next episode. From here, we'll continue building our adventure games step by step. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to support the channel, consider using Super Thanks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.